Hi, Gannon. How you doing? So I noticed this is the same presentation that you had submitted to the critique board. So be sure to review my comments there. So basically, where I'm at is this: what you've got is good, but there's not enough of it. Be sure to review those comments because I have comments in there about regarding how you can improve the look of your tickets and things like that, and your billboards and things like this. But so be sure to review those. But like I said, what you got is good, but there's just not enough of it. Basically, what we have is we have one, two, three, four. We've got tickets, poster, environmental, and T-shirts. So we've got four different areas, but we need a lot more. We really do. Oh, and you've got your pictograms. That's excellent too. But I think we need more. I really do. I think we need more. And the reason being is because right now we don't have enough identity here. We don't have enough to create a personal bond, an emotional bond between the viewer, spectator, athletes, and the event itself. So what I'd like to see is more environmental graphics. I'd like to see more placement of the logo and the associated supporting graphics. And also, I'd like to see you develop some graphics where you apply the actual Olympic branding to different event areas like ski slopes and the flags on ski slopes and the bibs they wear. And you know what? Take a look at that over at the examples area right down here. I shouldn't say examples area. I should say the examples I left in the announcements area of the classroom. And specifically, I think I showed you this before, but right here. And we got these four examples here. And there's just wonderful examples of different ways to apply the graphics in different areas. Okay, so basically, I've got this paragraph here, and we've got this kind of state of the event or state of the project paragraph here. It's kind of developing and kind of paraphrasing or summarizing where I'd like to see you at this point. And what we have is this. I just have these things mentioned, and I mentioned these last week. But where do we apply the graphics? Okay, environmental graphics, large-scale building graphics. You've got a couple of those, but I'd like to see more: event tickets, websites, apparel, print programs, banners, kiosks, arena graphics, vehicle wraps, sporting event graphics, posters, digital media, and merchandising. That's just to name a few. One of our classmates submitted the graphics package applied to food packaging that would be available in the concessions area of the Olympic event. So I thought that was really clever. That's really taking the imagination to the next level. So I think that was a fantastic way to go. I'd love to see you start applying that type of graphics. I think one of the things I wanted one of the reasons why I wanted to create a video here is just kind of get you some firsthand feedback as to where we're at in the grading rubric. So as I said, I think what you have is good. I think we just don't have enough of it. So for that reason, I would expect there to be some slight deductions here in depth and scope of ideations and process, and probably depth and scope of research as well, since we could use many more examples. Other than that, I think for next week for final presentation, we're moving into the final presentation of the project. And again, I think it would be a wonderful idea to research and to really use for your inspiration some of those examples that I have posted. There are some examples there. All four of them are of the final project that was delivered in week 8 of the corresponding class that they were submitted in. So you've got a really nice little roadmap in front of you as to where you need to be in coming weeks. Okay, so that's where I'm at, Gannon. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or other, please feel free to let me know. Thank you.